Well, all this World Environment Day, joining me is Sujal Shah, Deputy CEO of Vedanta Sesa Goa Iron Ore Business. Sir, welcome to the show.
Namaskar. Thank you very much.
Vedanta is always known to, obviously, as I said, walk the talk. They have always been in terms of clean and green energy, giving back to nature, giving back to society. I just want to ask you, when we speak about Vedanta Sesago Iron Ore, we speak about clean and green energy. Now, I want to know is what is this clean and green energy that you incorporate in your daily affair?
Uh, Namaskar. The way we operate our plant
Hmm.
is whatever the plant heat generation is there.
Hmm.
That heat generation we utilize to create power out of it,
Hmm.
and we only throw whatever the gas
Hmm.
without absolute no heat energy left.
Hmm.
With this way, the our ammonia plant,
Hmm.
which is generating a blast furnace gas and coke oven gas,
Hmm.
with the heat recovery, we are able to generate
Hmm.
and supplement
Hmm.
20% of the Goa's need
Hmm.
as an absolute clean and green energy with a
Hmm.
zero fossil fuel.
Hmm. Okay. This is one of your initiative when it comes to value-added services that you give back to the society and obviously the place where we live. Now, important thing is when we speak about environment, we speak about flora, fauna, plants, environment, whether it is the hills that we talk about, whether it is ocean, river. Sometimes we tend to forget that human being is also part of this environment. And when I speak about human being, I think the last 1 year the entire environment has been such that we have been surrounded by this virus called COVID-19. Uh, uh, Understanding this, reaching out to the last person, reaching out to the society, reaching out to the place where where you do business. How has this 1 year been, and how do safeguard your employees first, and obviously help the government of Goa also to battle it against the virus?
Absolutely, Rohitji. Last 1 year has been an extremely tough
Hmm.
for everybody across the globe.
Hmm.
So we are also not insulated for sure. The last 1 year has taught us to be very just on an environment control, on cleanliness, on oxygen
Hmm.
preservation. So we at Vedanta has an absolute resolution
Hmm.
for maintaining a clean and green plant. We keep on doing plantation
Hmm.
as and when there is an opportunity wherever it comes to. All of our plants are basically trying towards a green energy. We try to recycle maximum of the processed water so that we have a minimum footprint on a earth. We continue to support our communities in a nearby in terms of whether it's a provision of mask, sanitization,
Hmm.
any other support required in the new last 1 year.
Hmm.
We have been working very hard, knowing the crisis and the magnitude of a
Hmm.
crisis. We have been working hard in creating a state-of-art 100-bed
Hmm.
facility at our Goa Medical College. This facility is just becoming a reality for maybe in a couple of hours to go.
Hmm.
And this facility will serve the Goa and Goans in a big way.
Hmm.
We have already helped the Goa government with 200 or more oxygen concentrated, 125 plus jumbo oxygen
Hmm.
cylinders. We have been supplying at the rate of almost 3 ton per day liquid oxygen. We have almost crossed 100 ton plus
Hmm.
liquid oxygen supply, which is actually becoming a kind of a main support to the all patients in a COVID care with a vital oxygen support.
Hmm.
So we are on a continuous endeavor in standing tall, strong with the Goan and the Goan government
Hmm.
to help the people surrounding
Hmm.
in this calamity.
If when it comes to environment, we always hear the word sustainability and also safeguarding the environment. At Vedanta, how has been your journey, and obviously how do you envisage the future? Balancing this both things together.
No, absolutely. Sustainability is a core principle of a Vedanta. And mining,
Hmm.
whenever we are doing a mining, we always have an end state in our mind.
Hmm.
The example for our area is a Sangling mine, where post completion of a mine, how the whole mine has been reclaimed to be a world-class level. This we are proud to say is a Goan that maybe this is the first mine which has gone through the mine closure plan so effectively implemented, and it remains as a torchlight for the whole India.
True. I think you've shared some of the valuable thoughts when it comes to operations and giving back to the society and giving back to the environment. I think thank you very much, Sujal ji, for joining on this beautiful day of World Environment Day.
Thank you very much. Wish you all a happy World Environment Day.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, sir.